Are you planning a kitchen remodel and feeling overwhelmed by the decisions? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's break it down together. Did you know that there are over 1,000 decisions to make in a kitchen remodel? Every choice enhances the functionality, aesthetics, and efficiency of your space. Here's a quick overview of the key decisions you'll need to make. First, let's think about your layout and space planning. Assess your current setup and plan for efficient traffic flow and work triangles. Next, let's choose your style and theme. Are you into modern, traditional, or farmhouse? Your color scheme and cabinets, walls, and countertops should always reflect your taste. Select fixtures and finishes very carefully. From cabinetry and countertops to backsplashes and flooring, every detail counts. And don't forget about those sinks, faucets, and lighting to match your style. When it comes to appliances, consider your cooking habits and choose the right size and type for your needs. Good lighting is essential too. Think ambient, task, and accent lighting. These are a lot of decisions and it can feel overwhelming, but we are here to help. Download our free kitchen checklist to stay organized and on track. With thoughtful planning, your dream kitchen is just a remodel away. So let's make it happen together.